Spectro! Hello everyone, I'm Spectro JP. Hello everyone, I'm Spectro Archer.
Hello everyone, I'm Spectro Guy.
Hello everyone, I'm Spectro Angel.
Yo, what's up? I'm Spectro Yan!
Hello everyone, I'm Spectro J.
What's up everyone, it's Z to the O. My name is Spectro Zo again.
We are
Spectro! What's up, people? Fast Day 2.0 with style! Hello po everyone, hello Victory Plaza Caloocan. First of all po, we would like to thank... First of all po, we're, sa mga di po nakakakilala, we're Spectro po, XPK7RO. We're a 7-member rising boy group under Amarta Entertainment Production.
Shout out to our mom.
And also, we would like to thank po Victory Plaza Caloocan and also the Pipa Fans Day 2.0 with Stan for inviting us. Super thank you po, and sa inyong lahat na nagpumunta here, thank you everyone.
Yes, and thank you so much kasi na-appreciate namin kahit bumabagyo na, nandito pa rin po kayo to support the P-Pop and also this P-Pop Fans Day 2.0 style. Kaya maraming salamat po sa inyo.
Gusto niyo po ba ng isa pa?
Parang di namin naririnig yung malakas na gusto pa eh.
Okay na guys, sige. Pero before that, you guys can follow us on every social media platforms. It's spectro.official po.
Spelled as XPK7RO.official. Kayo na bahala.
So guys, are you ready?
Yes!
Let's go!
Thank you po.
Let's go!
Look, bro!
Hello!